The reason why your Donna's still in business is because of a nigga.
What the hell you talking about?
Mr. Prescott, that farm you get all your fresh fruit from? He a good man, but he don't know how to run a farm to save his life. My pop was the one supplying your Donna.
That's bullshit.
No, it ain't, sir. See, Mr. Prescott, he a great salesman. Shit, the best I'd ever seen. But he ain't no farmer. My Pop Earl is the reason why this Donna's so popular. He served in World War I, part of the Harlem Hellfighters. He was part of the 369th Infantry Regiment. He spent the years serving this country, putting his life on the line to save 22 men, killing 17 German soldiers. And all that to come back and get the same treatment. If not worse. So he went back to New York. Couldn't get work to support himself. Never was rewarded for his bravery. So he came back down here. Took the little bit of money he had and got himself some land. Growing the best damn crop this town has ever seen.
I was your friend 2 years ago.
You can't help me.
No, I'm not helping you.
You're not gonna help me.
I'm not fucking helping you. You need to go, dude. Dude, fucking go. Get some professional help. I don't know how you're gonna pay these guys back. It's not my fucking problem, dude. But you need to go. Right, and you're not fucking taking me down with you. Not anymore. Not anymore. Go. You're not ruining my fucking life.
Thanks, Joe. I guess I'll see you. Or I won't see you because I'm gonna be fucking dead. Thanks.
Adam. It's been too long.
Oh, have we met before?
Well, yeah, I'm Rory Watson.
Ah, yeah.
I'm one of the biggest Scotch aficionados in the world. I've thrown galas for the SWA. Hang on.
You really have met him several times. That was Dundas Castle last year. Great party.
Now do you remember me?
No, sorry. But I do recognise you. Did we meet in America?
Really? That guy? You remember that guy, but you don't remember me. That's why I'm doing this. All I want to do is honour the work of the SWA, and you never remember my name! No matter, once those concrete shoes are set, we're going to take a nice little trip down to the pier. Cheerio!
Bye, Ryan.
Craig? Craig?
It happened again.
I'm so sorry. But what could you have done?
Can I ask you something?
Of course.
What good is a gift that you can't use? I mean, the more I use my powers, the closer to death I get. What kind of cruel joke is this? Sometimes I feel like the weight of the world is right here, on my shoulders.
Honestly, I don't know why this gift has been given to you when it feels more like a curse, but what I do know is you've saved a lot of people's lives. Craig, including mine. Honey, maybe it's time for you to start taking care of yourself.
Ever since I discovered I could do these things, all I wanted to do was help people. Like, finally, I knew what I was here for. I'm just not so sure anymore. I don't know. I gotta go.
Craig, honey, please. Stay and talk to me. Craig.
And needs beauty lessons from her? You sure?
Just don't let her find out I told you.
You do come highly recommended.
Well, I also recommend my book. Everything I just gave you, chapter 5. You'll do fine.
Mom, hurry up. I'm dying to see this place. The girls at the office can't stop talking about it.
Right, all right. Girl, mother a break. I'd rather wait in the car than run around with you on all these appointments.
Alice, you're too much of a burden to be a mother.